Thank you so much for being my sub today. This will go over our English lesson for today. The key concept is for students to be able to use context clues and context words from a page to be able to define unknown words. The start of the lesson will be reading a short story with the students and stopping at unknown words and having them try to guess the definitions for those words by looking at the pictures and the words that surround the unknown word. Once they have come up with a definition as a class, they will then find the actual definition that is located in the dictionary. The students already know how to use the dictionaries and know that it is sorted by alphabetical, but they might need some reminder. Once you've finished reading the short story, you'll then move into the Nearpod presentation, which I'll explain to you now how to use. When you come onto the website, the page will look like this, which I've attached in the email below. The students will all receive this code, which will come up on the screen, and they will enter it into their iPads. When they enter in this code, please make sure that they put their first and last name and only their name. Once all the students will log in, on their screens it will look like this. And then I will also be able to see who's in and who's not. Right now we don't have any students in. Now we're having our students join. There we go. And so you will just have to click through on this side, and it will go through on the students' screens as well. You have full control of it. Just read the question, what does frolicked mean, and then read the sentence. Then it will go to the questions for the students to be able to participate in. It will pop up on their screens for them to be able to answer, and they'll submit their answers, and once every student has submitted, you can move on to the next screen. Right now we have 2 students that have answered. And there are all our students. You can continue on. The next slides will show then the actual definition. So the first slide will be the question and an example sentence. The next slide will be the activity, and the third slide will be the definition. The next one goes on to shrubbery. It will then give the students a drawing aspect where they can draw what they think the word shrubbery means. And they will submit those. And so we'll continue on. It again gives the definition for the word. The next one will be the same. It's the question and the example sentence. The students will then answer a quiz question. And then it will go on to the definition. And then one more word for review. And this one, then the students will have an open-ended question where they will be able to type in their own responses and give an answer. So some students might not know, and then once, if they don't know, you'll go over it, and even if they did get the answer correct. Go over the actual definition. At the end, it will give you, it gives the students a matching set where they will have to match the correct definition with the correct word. And you will get the scores and see the end result. My request is that you will save the results of the end of the presentation, that I can see how the students have done, and that will be it. Thank you.